under the care of Diahome, under the able guidance of Dr. Arun Raghavan. The Diahome is one of the best diabetic care centers and their online services. On this World Diabetes Day, the diabetes is a disorder which needs to be managed very well, but there is nothing to fear about diabetes. Simply follow the doctor's advice.
Wish you all a happy Diabetes Day. I have learned to live and enjoy life with diabetes. Thanks to Dr. Ramchandran and his team, diagnosed at the age of 25. It's still a learning process. I'm learning from my doctors. Indumati is a valuable advice for diet. I'm also practicing meditation and exercising as advised. Thanks once again to all at Diahome.
This day is to commemorate the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting. I am controlling my sugar. People who are in their 30s, please do exercise quite regularly, especially if you're in a desk job.